In this FLF project, I'm going to focus on revolutionizing joint care using a high-performance polymer called PEEK. My passion for long-distance running and my background in mechanical engineering have driven me to seek solutions to promote a healthy and active community. I'm currently training for London Marathon 2024, and through experience I understand the importance of mobility. I firmly believe that our age or our natural bone and cartilage properties shouldn't constrain and limit our mobility. And my mission is to use my engineering knowledge to create solutions that can minimize the effect of aging and keep us active as long as possible. Our innovation contains two parts, PEEK and biological content. PEEK has two main applications in this solution. Firstly, it's a strong material, it has high strength, so it can load bear. That can lead to early return to function while protecting the underlying tissues. As the cartilage grows, PEEK provides a mechanical reinforcement for a newly formed cartilage, and our solution can lead to removing pain and hopefully a better long-term outcome that can potentially delay any further intervention or even fully eliminate any more invasive intervention in the future. This is a multidisciplinary research which I'm going to work with Henry Royce Institute and international and national research institute and clinicians from across the world. There's still work needs to be done in understanding the long-term effect and optimizing the integration of PEEK with natural tissues. So this Future Leader Fellowship would enable me to focus my time and resources to bring all the expertise together to answer some of those fundamental research questions. In Vibio, we are working in a wide range of applications, and I have the ability to rely on 20 years of experience in working with high-performing material to provide a solution for patients, putting the UK in the forefront of medical innovation and joint care.